Okay.
See, they raked that.
That's nice. Man.
That's what Levon used to do to her campsite.
What, rake them?
Yeah.
Will they rake them every day?
She did. She'd rake them after they left.
See, this is the Curry Hammock. Look, they cut up a bunch of weeds there.
Yep. Cleaned it out a little bit. Yeah, she told me she used to wait till they left. And then she'd make sure it was all raked up for the next person. When they were coming, oh, look at this flower.
Yep.
Those are cool. 2 different shades of purple.
Okay. Wonder where this goes. Here's another trail.
Up to the shower.
Oh. Yeah, from what I can see, these are all pretty decent sites.
Yeah, it's kind of nice because you got
Couple
growth
of them.
in between.
Yeah.
You don't have to actually look in your neighbor's camper.
And here's a big site. Holy smokes.
That is probably since there's no
Oh,
ground.
probably, yep.
It's all pavement. Yeah, it is.
He's getting in trouble.
Want to say hi.
There's your shower house. For sale. 80 grand. Oh, there's another thing I can take a picture of.
On a Mercedes.
Okay, here's the dump station. Okay. Yeah. We're down around the site 27. Here's where you do your job. And
Water not safe for drinking.
nope. Don't drink it.
Same thing. People don't know how to put it back where they got it.
That's right.
Throw it on the ground.
Okay. That's the end of our... There we go. Got a month or two. Got an hour or two. Oh, look, you can volunteer. Cool.